Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we've been to Zulba's by the Sea and Greedy Chops. That's me, by the way. I've had a big kebab, look out for the video, and you had a guba. Again, look out for the video, guys. And we're going to walk down to the main strip, main road up there on the right hand side, and then we're going to go and watch a movie, a free movie. Brilliant, because the film festival's here and we're going to see Beekeeper. Right, let's go across here, guys. Floating carpet. Of course you can. There's the Love Boat, guys. Very busy tonight. Would you like to be on the video? Yes. Oh, what's your name? Becky. Nice to see you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. There we are. Let's carry on down, shall we, guys? That's very loud in there. What's going on? Oh, they've got a DJ. Hi guys, you alright? Slow beer. Right. Nice to see you again.
And you, George.
For the camera, what's your name?
I'm Aaron.
That's right, Aaron. That's correct. How'd you spell that?
A-A-R-O-N.
Okay. And this lovely lady?
And this is my wife, Lindsay.
Hi, Lindsay. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
Now, you went to the dog pound or the dog sanctuary, didn't you?
Yes, we will be going next week. I phoned the lady up, spoke to him.
Right.
But we're having baby Simba.
Oh, you've adopted the dog from there?
We will be having that, yes.
Wow, that is a lovely dog, by the way.
I know,
well
it looks
done.
absolutely gorgeous.
Well, we'll talk about that when we meet up again.
Yes, I agree.
By the way, did you hear that? He's adopted a little doggy. Here we are. He went down to the dog sanctuary, guys, and adopted the little doggy. Oh, well, he's going down there anyway. Anyway, back to the main road. Lots of people enjoying themselves. Don't forget Infinity, that lovely little shop. There's Sonia's. Just say a quick hello. Hello, mate. We're going to the film festival.
Everything delish, huh?
It's all delish. We're going to the film festival, by the way.
That's it.
You coming?
No, I'm too busy.
Oh, you're too busy. Okay, never mind. See you later. Come on, crew. We've got to get a good seat. Come on, crew. I want one of those director chairs in the middle. Oh, they're really comfortable. There's Nick and Tassie's. They're busy. Looks like everyone's busy tonight. Cheers. Everyone enjoying themselves. Want some water? How you going? Ice cream shop. Oh, that's not very busy. Maybe it's not ice cream time yet. It's always ice cream time. Oh, by the way, guys, I had a little idea. I was talking to one of the viewers, and I thought, what about if we do a little video? Ice cream for breakfast, ice cream for lunch, and ice cream for dinner. Gets my vote. Excellent. What a great idea. I think I've got the green light, guys. Ice cream for breakfast. You could have like a fruity ice cream, banana or something for breakfast. Hello guys. Just talking about ice cream actually. We're just talking about ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a video.
Right.
Ice cream for breakfast, ice cream for lunch, and ice cream for dinner, all in one day.
What about supper ice cream?
Sorry?
Supper ice cream? Supper.
Saffron ice cream.
Supper.
Do you know what we were thinking about? What should we have for lunch?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
There's the brewery, guys. Look out for the video. We had a delish meal in there, guys. It was really amazing. Double delish, in fact. The All American Barbecue Diner, that's now open. Let's cross the road. Oh, it's coming at a belt. Oh, running across. I know it's a flying carpet. There it is. And we'd feature that another time, guys. Oh, what's that open? Oh, it's an ice cream shop. I didn't know that was going to be an ice cream shop. Oh, have you got time? Let's go and have a quick look, shall we? New ice cream shop. Hello. Oh, look at that. Lemon. Oh. After the film, should we come and have one? Yeah. Definitely. We're going to come and have an ice cream. Oh, more. Oh, proper secret sweets. Ooh, delicious. Look at that. Oh, Happy Days is busy. It's all busy, isn't it, guys? Let's just nip down here because we want to get a good seat in the film festival. Let's see. Crew here. Yes. Right. Onward. There's Rockefellers. Lots of sports going on in that massive screen. What's going on? It's football. Oh, that's enormous, that screen in Rockefellers. Of course, lots of entertainment in Rockefellers, guys. Free entertainment while you have a slow beer. How about that? Mind. There we are. There's Reeves Bar. It's quiet at the moment, so if you want a quiet beer and little chat, you can go into Reeves. Italian restaurant here on the right, very busy, guys. As you can see, guys, the restaurants are getting very, very busy. It's July coming up to August, so if you're here at this time of the year, why not book yourself the table at your restaurant before you go? Oh, sorry. You bump into people. I haven't bumped into a person for ages. Must be busy. There's the shops. Look out for the video, guys. We did come down here shopping. We did a little video. Cartel, that's busy as well. People having a cocktail, and that's going to get very busy later on. So they've got some amazing cocktails in there, guys. Again, look out for the video. Lots of fun in cartels. Oh. Eden Square. I nearly forgot about Eden Square. There it is. Lots of open bars down in Eden Square, guys, and you can cut through Eden Square and get down onto the main road. Even KFC's very busy tonight. What is it tonight? Oh, it's Wednesday. There we are, middle of the week. There's the famous Q Bar. Oh, we had ice cream here. There it is at the patisserie. I met a couple of viewers here at the patisserie, guys. It was double delish. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't realise they've got two counters. That's clever. Oh, that opens at night, guys. That's a great idea. Now, coming up is Mr. John's Tours. In fact, I saw Mr. John coming back today from his tour about 3 o'clock. There it is. So if you fancy going over to Famagusta, guys, ask Mr. John. He's always here around 7 o'clock in the evening to about 10 o'clock. So ask him and he'll serve you with a ticket, book you into that tour. Oh, there's one of those buggies. We had one of those buggies. Lots of fun. Right, let's check on the crew. Crew's still here, guys. Keep going. There we are, across the magic carpet. Mind the posts. I did hit one of those in Greece, didn't I? Didn't do a lot of good for my knee, guys. The new Bliss cocktail bar, there it is on the right hand side, and we'll be going in there sometime in the future, guys. Our little cocktail. Down there, guys, is a Vasco's tattoo parlour, and we're going to go there. One of our viewers wants a tattoo, and she's going to go there tomorrow, and we're going to video it. Oh, should be interesting. I wonder if she's going to scream when there's needles going. We'll soon find out. Right, let's just cross over here. There's Massa fast food. Look out for the video. Delish food, lots of food for your money, guys. And as I said before, why not book a table? Look how busy they are. Oh, hi again. Have you eaten?
We have, we're at La Paz.
Oh, good idea, because they're really busy, aren't they? They could do it one way, couldn't they, guys? Could go, hi guys, you could go that way across the road and this way on this side of the road. Make it a one way for pedestrians. Don't forget the lovely Infinity, guys. Beautiful little shop. Right, behind the buggies. Well, around the buggies. That's the buggy we had. Yeah, the same make, Ranger. That's it, guys. We went up to Capo Greco. Thank you. Not even on the flying carpet. How polite. There's the captain of the Dolphin. Hello. Dishing out lots of leaflets. Oh. Around the people. Oh, we're here. Didn't even know. I was heading for the other direction. We're here, guys. Here we are, guys. There's a massive screen. We were in the director's chairs waiting for the movie, so we'll leave you here, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little walk, and we're possibly going to have an ice cream later at that new ice cream shop. Oh, double delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.